They're watching us. This guy too. Welcome to another Ernie's Journeys, where we answer the question, where will the journey take us? Today, the journey takes us here. That's right, we are at Cabot Mill Antiques in Brunswick. Let's go take a look. I feel like this is appropriate right now. It comes as no surprise to me that Cabot Mill is a repeat winner for Best Antiques Dealer. So here we are at Cabot Mill Antiques. This is a 16,000 square foot antique store right here in the heart of Brunswick, Maine. The 16,000 square foot showroom. It is huge. You know, this was actually kind of an accidental find for me. I was driving around looking for places to film, and it was kind of an overcast, somewhat rainy day, and I drove past and saw the sign for this place. I am so glad that I stopped in here. I'm so glad. Okay, so just to kind of get an idea of what this place is and was, this is a restored textile mill. It's called Fort Andross. It is in Brunswick, Maine, and I will leave instructions for how to get here if you're interested in coming down in the description below. But we're gonna go and explore and wander around here for a little bit. I might be here for a couple of hours. I actually saw some comic books over there that I'm interested in looking at also. So let's go have fun. Okay, so right off the bat, my eye was drawn to these little Hardy Boys books. My dad used to have a giant collection of books just like these. I think it was Hardy Boys that he had. He also had you know what, the name is escaping me right now. It's not Nancy Drew. The Happy Hollisters. That's what he had, a giant collection. I love these old books. This is Woody Woodpecker's older brother, William. Just kidding, Mr. Franklin. Look at these giant quartz crystals. Wow, these are huge. There's one. Here's another one. If Halloween and antiques is your thing, this is the booth that you want. Number 33. Look at those pumpkins. Look at all these tiny little figures. My mom has a collection of little figures like this, including quite a few of these crystal ones. And you thought healthcare nowadays was bad. Also, another Mr. Franklin. We got some cool seals. There's Teddy Roosevelt bookend, and to go with it, a Mark Twain one. If you want it, you can get not one thinker, but two thinkers. To double the thinking. And those are bookends also. Or triple the thinking. With these three scholars. I like those. Oh, look at these. Look at the detail on these knights. I like these Buddhas also. There is a Unidyne microphone. Oh, look at this one back here. This guy is taking a nap. This cabinet is full of all kinds of nautical antiques. These are foghorns. That's pretty cool. I can picture the sound that they make, you know, the sound of the horn, the foghorn, the bells ringing. Brings you right out to the ocean. Show you guys a little bit more from a different angle. I could spend hours in here, and that's what I'm gonna do. I thought these were candle pins, but it says that they're Indian clubs. I'm curious as to what those would be used for. Oh, look at those. Those are paper dolls. Those look like they date to like World War I. Wow. A pocket erector set. That's awesome. This guy caught my eye. I thought at first it was Bashful from Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, but it's not. I'm not sure what dwarf this would be. I mean, he looks like he has to go to the bathroom. Sorry, that's really crude, but that's what it makes me think of when I see him. What would you name this dwarf? Leave a comment down below. What would you name him? You can also get your official State of Maine bean jar. Your baked beans, a bean pot. Oh man. Look at that. That's Russian lettering on this case. I wonder what that is. If any of you speak any Russian, translate that for me. What is that? Leave a comment down below. Oh, I love this Pluto. Look at his face. That's great. Wow. I think it's marble. Yeah, it's alabaster. It's a watch hutch. Wow. One of a kind. That is amazing. This is cool. See these? These appear to all be full of political buttons. Not just presidential races, all different kinds of anti-war, social causes, unions. Look at that. I've never seen so many in one place. Look at these little figures. Okay, this might be a little bit loud over here. We're right underneath the fan, which is nice because it is nice getting that breeze. But this booth has all different kinds of bumper stickers, documents, cards, photos, posters. I'm going to take a quick look through here, see if anything catches my eye to show you. This is a newspaper from Victory in Japan Day, ending World War II. The Honolulu Advertiser. This is a newspaper from Hawaii. Oh, this one's from Boston. No Peace with Hitler. We used to get Jack and Jill magazine. This is from 1942. I love the artwork on this. Oops. Okay, I think I found one of my favorite booths. I feel like I'm probably going to say that a lot, but this is amazing. I'm going to step back and just pan real quick. You guys see what all this stuff is? You see that table back there? It's coral. Look at these giant clam shells. Here's my hand for comparison. They're huge. Look at this. Wow, look at these. It's big. Again, use my hand for comparison. Huge starfish. Beautiful shells. I tell you, this place is amazing. I'm having so much fun right now. There's so much stuff to see here. Wow, look at this. It's a masterwork solid state phonograph. I had one similar to this. It was a little bit newer than this one, but it reminds me a whole lot of the one that I used to have as a kid. You guys ever have one like these as a kid? Let me know down in the comments below. Ooh, honey, what's for supper? It's gonna be delicious. I hope you like it. It's bread. Look at this. These are jawbones. After getting hit in the head with one of those, you probably want a cold drink. How about a bottle of vodka? A huge bottle of vodka. These are pages from books with illustrations in them. Different kinds of fish. These are salmon. These are 18th century engravings. Amazing. Look at the detail. Wow, look at this. This is it's like a sink basin? I don't know what it is. It's like a trough, I'm not sure. A dough bowl. Wow. First rule of Miyagi Dojo. I don't remember the rest. There's some more war era posters. All kinds of different art here. That's a map of California right there. That's a better view. It's an interesting perspective on California. Instead of looking at it this way on the map, you're looking at it with the west down here. Oh wow. It's a $295 map. Wow. You even have some antique clothes. I like these coats. Ninja would rock this. Look at the colors on that thing. It's awesome. I love the use of color on this kitchen set. Looks like you can mix and match here. These wood carvings caught my eye. I hope with the light that you're able to see them well. But they are beautiful. They're called, these are architectural balusters. I don't know what that's for. If you know what it's for, let me know down in the comments. I love this place. They have an official Books of Oz section. Wow. First rule of Miyagi Dojo. Wait a minute. Some pulp novels. Wow. How about a McDonald's comic? And apparently Bob Hope had his own comic. Wow. First rule of Miyagi Dojo. Take off your boots. Well, that's about going to wrap it up for this journey today. I want to give a special thank you to Cabot Mill Antiques for letting me walk around and see all the really cool stuff that they have in their store. Here's a quick look at the directions in case you need a map. Maps are sometimes easier, right? In case you want to come and purchase some really neat items for your home, or just to look around and really appreciate the art. And while you're here, you'll probably find something that you want to take home with you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. New videos post every Tuesday and Thursday. Join us next time when we answer the question, where will the journey take us?